I'm hungry.
Me too, Minash.
Let's just order something.
Burger King.
Starbucks.
Burger King.
Starbucks.
Burger King.
Starbucks.
Okay, so should we dine in or order?
Obviously order.
Okay, so but Burger King is much better.
Starbucks.
What would we gonna do with Starbucks?
Drink milkshakes. Let's just order it with an offer.
Fine.
I need a girl nap.
Shit, man, I'm not able to find any girl. Good. Just right there. But the bullets. I will reload it and wait for more.
Long time. No gun? Oh, I didn't see it, didn't I? It's already loaded. We'll save for later. I wonder what this is for. Oh, I just understood. Mother, I'm coming. Oh my God. It's already loaded. Mother, I'm coming. Sniper, scope.
No cheating.